7 days ago, your feet burned. Test them now. Pen test. Close your eyes. Big toe, sharp or dull. Tandem stance, heel to toe. Count your seconds. Ankle mobility, cross your ankle over your knee. Flex and point. Smooth or sticky. Look at your numbers from day one. Look at your numbers today. If they are better, that is real. Your nerves are healing. Think of your nerves like a road that's been full of potholes for years. Each day this week, you added one repair crew. By day 7, the road is smoother than it's been in years. The potholes all gone. The road isn't perfect, but it's better. And it keeps getting better every day if you stay on the plan. Here's the full plan on one page. Every morning, 4 minutes of the nerve routine before coffee. Ankle circles, toe taps, heel raises, nerve floss. Every morning with breakfast, 600 milligrams of ALA. Remember the R form. Every day, 1 handful of raw walnuts before 8 p.m. Chewed well every day. Cut out one of the 3 nerve blockers: sugar, seed oils, alcohol. Start with the one you eat most. Every night, 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate 1 hour before bed. Every night, sleep on your back with a pillow under your knees or side sleeping with a pillow between your knees. Never curled in a ball. That is the protocol. 6 things every day, forever, or at least until your symptoms are gone. This is not complicated. It's not expensive. It's not a pill that masks the pain while your nerves keep dying. It is a plan that gives your body what it needs to fix itself. But here's where it gets interesting. 7 days is just the start. Let me tell you what happens if you stay on this plan for 30 days. Day 1 to 7, blood flow starts to improve. Nerves stop getting compressed at night. The building blocks are starting to be put in place. You feel less burning, better balance, some sensation coming back. Day 8 to 14, myelin repair kicks into high gear. The nerve coating actually starts getting thicker. The pen test goes from dull to sharp. The tandem stance adds 5 to 10 seconds. Day 15 to 21, nerve conduction speed improves. Signals travel faster from your feet to your brain. You notice it when you walk. Your feet feel more connected to the ground. Day 22 to 30, some people reverse their symptoms entirely. Not everyone. Severe neuropathy takes longer, but even severe cases feel a real difference, even subtle, by 30 days. The body wants to heal. It has wanted to heal this whole time. It just needed the right conditions. Movement, nutrition, sleep. No blockers, that's it. Let me tell you what to do if you didn't improve. Maybe your pen test is the same as day 2. Maybe your balance didn't change. Maybe you're just watching and thinking, I did the work and nothing happened. Don't stop. Here's what's probably going on. If you've had neuropathy for more than a few years, your nerves have a lot of damage. 7 days won't undo 5 years, but it will start the process. The repair machinery is turned on now. Keep going. Double the omega-3s. Add a second daily nerve floss session. 1 in the morning and 1 at night. Be ruthless about sugar. Not just less, but near 0 for weeks. And tell your doctor what you're doing. If you're on gabapentin, pregabalin, or duloxetine, do not stop those on your own. This protocol works alongside medication. It does not replace it unless your doctor says so. But here's what matters. Even if your numbers didn't change, your nerves received more blood flow this week than they have in a long time. More oxygen, more building blocks, less compression, less inflammation. These changes are happening even if you can't feel them yet. Trust the process. One last test. This one is simple. Stand up, walk across the room. Not slower than normal, not more carefully, just walk. How does it feel compared to day 1? Do you feel your feet are more connected to the floor? Less numbness, better balance. This is not a placebo. That is 7 days of giving your nerves exactly what they need. Movement, food, sleep, no blockers. Drop a comment below. What changed for you? What didn't? I read every comment and respond. Your experience helps others know what to expect. Start with just one thing. Pick one line from this page and do it again tomorrow. Then add the next one. Stack them. That's how nerves heal. Not with one magic pill, 1 day at a time, 1 repair crew at a time, 1 improvement at a time. Thanks for hanging out there with me for the last 7 days. If this helped you, send it to someone who needs it. Someone with burning feet who thinks this is their new normal. It's not. Hit subscribe. I make videos like this every week. Start with just one thing. That's the adjustment. I'll see you in the next one.